Ever wonder how to stay on top of your spending in real time? With Paducah Bank's debit card notifications, you can get real-time alerts every time your debit card is being used. Here's how you do it. To get started, go ahead and log into your online banking or Paducah Bank mobile app, and we are going to click on our menu, and we're going to go to Manage Cards. From there, you're going to see a list of all your debit cards. We want to click on the one we'd like to turn on the alerts for, and we're going to hit Manage Alerts. We're going to look for this bubble right here that says Enable Alerts for this card. It's already clicked on. Next step is we need to set the alert type. Before we can put in our email or phone, we need to select either approvals, denials, or we can set both approvals and denials. Then all you have to do is put in your email or your cell phone number to enable those alerts to come directly to your phone. And that is how you use our online banking or Paducah Bank mobile app to turn on debit card notifications.